Sanibonani. Sizofunda ngemisindo yesiZulu. We are going to learn the isiZulu phonics. Okay. KwisiZulu sinonkamisa bese siphinde siba nongwaqa. In isiZulu we have vowels and then we have consonants, just like we have in English. Okay. Ake siqale-ke ngokubheka onkamisa bethu. Here are our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Ngizophinda futhi. I will repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Ake sibheke-ke manje ongwaqa. Let's look at the consonant. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ubaba, that's dad. Buza, to ask. Bona, to see. Ca, ce, ci, co, cu. Cela, to ask. Cula, to sing. Ceba, to tell on someone. Da, de, di, do, do. Deda, to move. Udadewethu, sister. Dansa, dance. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Itafula, table. Funda, read or learn. Funa, look for. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ugogo, grandma. Gijima, run. Gibela, climb on. Ha, he, he, ho, hu. Hamba, go. Heha is to get someone's attention. Humusha, translate. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ujamu, jam. Jika, turn around. Juluka, to sweat. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ikamu, a comb. Ukudla, food. Kuhle, it is nice, or it is pretty. Lalela, okay. I'm saying lalela because I see a picture there of someone listening. Ngibona umuntu olalelayo. Sifunda la, le, li, lo, lu. Lala, to sleep. Lalela, to listen. Leta, to bring something. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Umama, mom. Mema, to invite. Umuntu, a person. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Inunu, a monster. Inono, someone who likes a clean place. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. I-apula, an apple. Ipulazi, a farm. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Qaphela, it's a warning. Qoqa, to put things together or to tidy up. Iqanda, an egg. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Irabha, a rubber. Irabhi, rugby.